Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaishali. Thanks a lot for stopping by. As you've already seen in the title, today we are going to do a little self-pampering session at home. So, as you can see, my skin is looking so radiant and glowing, and if you want to get the same type of skin sitting at your own comfort space, then do check out the video. In this video, we are going to use Nature's Essence Glowing Gold Facial Kit. It is a four-step facial kit, and it comes for rupees 260, and you can use it up to for 3 times, which means that you are getting a facial at your own comfort zone at just rupees 80. And it is said that it's a pro tip that for an enhanced glow, massage the face pack into your skin instead of just applying it. Use every 2 weeks. And as you can see my skin, so without wasting any more time, let's begin with the facial. The first step before beginning the facial is this Detan Therapy Wipe Off Face Mask. It's a pre-facial prep. It's a very nice mask. You have to apply this mask, a thick layer of Detan Therapy Wipe Off Mask over the face and neck. Leave on for 15 minutes. Massage the neck into the skin for 2 minutes with a gentle circular motion. Wipe off the mask with a wet tissue or cotton, revealing visible brighter glowing skin. As you can see, a bit brightness is also seen in the previous photo and this one. Next is an exfoliate glowing gold cleansing scrub. This you have to sprinkle water on your face and neck. Apply the scrub over your skin and massage gently in upward strokes for 3 minutes. Wash the scrub off with water. The fine walnut grain in the scrub gently exfoliates your skin. Get ready for step 2. So every step how to use this facial kit is written at the back only, so there is no hassle like how you have to do it and how not. Next is a condition glowing gold massage cream. This is step 2. In this, what you have to do is apply the cream in dots over your moist skin. Close your eyes and relax while you massage the cream into your face and neck with gentle upward strokes for 15 minutes. The essential oil in the cream makes your skin smooth and ready for step 3. As we are coming end of this facial routine is a hydrating glowing gold gel. As I've already mentioned in my previous video, I don't think that each and every step in this Nature Essence facial kit range is same for every range. So this glowing gold has this gel. I don't remember that the previous one had it or not, but still. So how we have to use it is apply the gel in dots over your skin. Massage the gel gently over your face and neck with your fingertips in upward strokes for 2 minutes. Relax as your skin absorbs the cool gel and gold sparkles. Get ready for step 4. As we are reaching to the end of this facial, you will be a nice glowing radiant skin will be revealed. So in step 4 there is a face mask. This is a polished glowing gold pack. This you have to use it. Apply the pack in a layer over your face and neck. Close your eyes and relax for 10 minutes while the peppermint oil in the pack soothes and freshens your skin. Wash the pack off before it has dried completely and dab your face dry. This is the last step, and as you can see, my skin is feeling so smooth and so glowy and radiant. You can see it over here also. The benefits of this for sure gives a glowing gold look in a very small amount of time. This is a 3-use pack, and you are getting a mini facial at your home, which gives you such glowing and radiant skin. What else do you want? My experience with this kit was it's a very hassle free, cost effective, plus at home at your own comfort zone we are getting a facial which is giving such glowing and radiant instant results, so why not? So yeah, this sums up my video. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit on the like button, and do share it with your friends and family. And if you want to stay connected with me on a regular basis, then do not forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be in the description box below. And yes, for this Valentine's week, I'll be running some giveaway too, so do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye you guys, see you in the next video.